Hello everyone, in this video we will solve a JEE Mains previous year question based on the quadratic equations. Many students struggle with this type of questions. In this video we will solve it systematically and understand the key concept behind this solution. Let's get started. Let us first carefully observe the problem. In question asks sum of all real solution of these equations is it. Actually asks what is the values are and the sum of these values of x. So first write the question. So that is log 6x square plus 28x plus 30 is equal to 5 minus 2 log 6x plus 10 base and x square plus 6x plus 9 is argument. So first we simplify the both argument of the logarithm. So the first one is 6x square plus 28x plus 30. So 2 is common. So remaining term is 3x square plus 14x plus 15. Here we use the concept of the middle term. So that is 3x square plus 9x plus 5x plus 15. So that is equal to 2. If we break this, that we got 3x plus 5 and x plus 3. So first argument is this and second argument is x square plus 6x plus 9. So write this x square plus 6x plus 9 that is equal to actually x plus 3 the whole square. So we got the our argument. First we write the left hand side and simplify it. Log of base is x plus 3 and argument is 6x square plus 28x plus 30. So before we write the argument is 2 times 3x plus 5 product is x plus 3 multiply by x plus 3. So that is log x plus 3 2 times 3x plus 5 plus log x plus 3 x plus 3. Here we use the product formula. You can write as a note log of any base x y is equal to log x plus log y. So log same base, suppose x and x, it is 1, so that value is 1. So now we simplify it, that is log of x plus 3 to 3x plus 5 and that is 1. So left hand side we got this. Now we define this number is a. Suppose a is equal to log of x plus 3. Our motive is to find the value of x. So that's why we define a is equal to and we write our full equation this in terms of a. That is our main target. So that is 3x plus 5. Therefore the left hand side becomes a plus 1. Now we simplify this term. The right hand side this term log of 6x plus 10 x square plus 6x plus 9. Before we write this term is x plus 3 whole square. So that is log that we common is 2, that is 3x plus 5, that is x plus 3. So this 2 come outside the log, that is 2 log 2 3x plus 5 x plus 3. Therefore we use another formula, that is log of x y, you can write is 1 over log of this. So therefore 2 1 over log base and argument are interchange, that is x plus 3 and that is 2 3x plus 5. So therefore 2 over a, before we define this value is a, that is a. So therefore we got that is equal to 2 by a. Now our actual equation becomes, actual equation we have this equation, that is left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side we got a plus 1 and right hand side is equal to 5 minus 2 into 2 by a. So that equation, that is a plus 1 is equal to 5 minus 2 times 2 by a. So this imply a plus 1 is equal to 5 minus 4 by a. So this imply a plus 1 multiplied by a is equal to 5 minus 4. Therefore a square plus a is equal to 5a minus 4. Now we simplify it, we got this equation, a square minus 4a plus 4 is equal to 0. That is actually a minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So this implies a is equal to 2. Now we got the value of a. Actual motive is to find the value of x. So now we put the value of a here. So a is equal to 2 we got. So putting the value here 2 and calculate the value of x from this equation. So therefore 2 is equal to log of x plus 3 2 times 3x plus 5. So therefore that is equal to 2. 3x plus 5 is equal to x plus 3 power 2. So because log of xy is equal to z, this implies y is equal to x power z. Using this formula we get this. So now we simplified this equation, that is 6x plus 10 is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. Therefore we got this equation, x square 6x are cancelled, that is x square minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. Now we got the our value of x, that is x is equal to 1 and minus 1. Now we check these values are correct or not. So we putting the value in this actual equations to verify that is the our values are correct or not. So when we put x is equal to 1, algorithms are defined, the domains, that is the argument are greater than 0, and base are greater than 0 and not equal to 1. So we clearly write here, when we define the logarithm xy, that is base, that is argument, so y must be greater than 0 and base is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. So we check this value one by one. So when you put x is equal to 1, both logarithm values, argument are greater than 0 and base also the greater than 0. So the first case is verified. So x is equal to 1 is solution. The second one is x is equal to minus 1. When we put value here, this and this, and here also and here also, x is equal to minus 1, we see that is the 2. So it is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. That is also greater than 0 not equal to 1. That also the greater than 0 not equal to, that also greater than 0 not equal to 1, and also this argument also greater than 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 also the solutions. So two values x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1 also the both are the solutions. So in question asked the sum of these solutions, sum of all real solutions of these equations. So we got the two solutions, that is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. So sum is 1 plus minus 1, so that is equal to 0. So this is the our correct answer, this is our desired answer. So therefore 0 is the our solutions. So if you see the option, so option 3 is the correct answer. So overall the question we are just doing, we simplify our arguments and then we defined a is equal to logarithm of x plus 3 2 times 3x plus 5. Then our given equations we convert to in the a form, that is this equations, a plus 1 is equal to 5 minus 4 by a. Then we find the value of a, that is equal to 2. Then using this value a is equal to 2 put here, or we got the x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. So the sum is 0. So 0 is the desired answer.